Which animal gives pink milk? Option A hippopotamus, option B unicorns, option C zebra, option D dog. Answer option A hippopotamus. Second, which animal contains 8 heart chambers? Option A starfish, option B octopus, option C shark, option D frog, option B octopus. 3. Which is the most brilliant animal? Option A squirrel, option B parrot, option C monkey, option D rabbit, option C monkey. Answer. Fourth, what is the original color of sun? Option A red, option B yellow, option C black, option D white, option D white.